Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Suno AI, a powerful tool for generating full songs with just a few clicks. If you're ready to create AI-generated music effortlessly, let's get started. First, open up your browser and search for Suno AI. Click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to the Suno AI homepage, where you can explore various AI-generated songs. Before creating your first song, you'll need to sign up for an account. You can use Discord, Gmail, or Microsoft. Once signed in, you're ready to generate your song. Input a description like rap song about counting money and generate the song. Hit create and let Suno AI work its magic. After a few moments your song will be generated. You can listen to them by hitting the play button. Choose the one you'd like and continue working on that one by clicking the three dots and selecting continue from clip. Some users forget to click continue from clip, which lets you further customize the song, so don't skip this step. To customize your song further, click on the song style to view the lyrics. Copy the existing lyrics and paste them into the lyrics box. Now you can add some instructions, like continue the song by adding a new verse, but keep the chorus the same. And then click generate lyrics to add another verse. Keep your instructions clear for the AI to follow. This ensures the generated lyrics match the song's vibe. After that, hit continue to generate the final version of the song. Give it a listen. Once you're happy with your song, click the three dots again and select get whole song. You can download it as an audio file or a lyric video. And just like that, our song is ready for download. You can create instrumental versions too. Simply enable custom mode, leave the lyrics box blank, and enter your desired style of music. Suno AI operates on a credit system. If you've run out of credits, you'll need to upgrade your plan. There are three options: Basic, Pro and Premier. Each plan comes with different credit limits and features, so pick the one that suits your needs. If you're generating songs regularly, the Pro or Premier plan will give you more flexibility with credits. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!